You can also search for something in a string. So here we have string S1, and we can see if a word is inside a string. So in this case it returns true because better is inside the S1 string. If we were to say what, it returns false because the word what is not inside a string. So we can say beautiful in S1, it returns true because the word beautiful is in the string S1. But if you were to try that with a lowercase beautiful, it returns false. Python is case sensitive, so it has to be an exact match. So only if the words match exactly, it returns true. So you can search for a word inside any string, inside any text variable, and if it's found, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Now you can also find the position of the word. So if we were to search for the word beautiful, in this case it says substring not found, and that's because I typed S and S is not defined. So you want to use S1. It will tell you it starts at position 0. So if we take a look, we clearly see it starts at position 1, but Python starts counting from 0. So this is the 0th position. And it counts 0 up, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So if we were to search for the word better, it tells you the character it starts inside the string. So it starts at the 13th character or the 13th position. You'll see we take the word then, you'll see that's later in the string, so it starts at the later index position. You can also request single characters from a string. So if we have the variable S1 and we want the first character, we can say 0 with these braces. So that will return the first character. If we were to get 1, it's the second character, the third character, and so on. Now if you can also count from the back. So if you want the last character, you can do -1. And you'll see that gets the last character. And counting backwards also works. So -3, -4, and then you're at this character. You can also get a part of a string. So you can say from the 0th position to the 10th position, give me that. And you'll see it immediately returns that. Or you can say from the 14th position to the 20th position. And basically you can create new strings or slices in that way. So let's define another string. We find the position of world. So that's position 6. And let's create a slice. And you'll see we grab the word world. Or if you want to grab more, you see now we grabbed more. Let's remove a character. So you can go from the starting point, which starts from 0, to the end point. Now if you have a sentence, you can actually split a sentence based on a character. Now in this case the space character appears a lot. So what you can do is say x.split. So whatever your variable name is, .split, and then split on a space character. And you'll see that immediately splits the whole sentence into words. So every word is now split because we split on the space character. Now you can pick any character or delimiter you want to split text. So if you were to have some number variables, like in this format, you could say x.split on a comma, and then it turns that into separate strings. This also works for sentences, so let me add a new line here. Just a bunch of new lines. So if we type some sentences, we can also split on a sentence by splitting on a point. You'll see now it split those sentences based on the point character.